In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pie charts with Notion AI. If you have data inside Notion and you want to turn it into something more visual, this is a quick and useful way to do it. A pie chart can help you understand proportions at a glance, which makes it easier to present categories, compare segments, and spot patterns without manually building a chart yourself. To get started, open the Notion page that contains the data you want to convert into a pie chart. This should be the page where your database or information already lives, or the page where you want to add a pie chart view. Before moving on, it helps to quickly check that your data is organized clearly, because the cleaner your categories and values are, the better the result Notion AI will generate. Once you're on the correct page, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and click the AI chat icon. It appears as a small face icon, and this opens the Notion AI assistant so you can give it instructions directly from the page you're working on. This is where the chart creation process becomes very simple, because instead of manually configuring everything, you can describe what you want in plain language. In the message field, type exactly what data you want converted into a pie chart. Be as specific as possible here. It's a good idea to write your request as though you were giving instructions to a helpful team member. For example, clearly describe which data should be used, what the categories represent, and that you want it displayed as a pie chart. The more precise your prompt is, the more likely Notion AI is to generate the view you want on the first try. After entering your request, click the blue send arrow to submit it. This tells Notion AI to process your instruction and begin creating the chart based on the data available on that page. Then, give it a moment to render. Depending on the size or complexity of your data, this may take a few seconds. Once it finishes, Notion AI will automatically create the view with your pie chart for you. At that point, you can review the result and make sure the visual matches the data you intended to show. And that's it. That's how to create pie charts with Notion AI quickly and naturally, using a simple prompt instead of building the chart manually.